Hello friend, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. Today video I'm going to show you how to draw multiline in AutoCAD. So first we go to draw menu and select multiline. So on the screen we click on the first point and move the mouse right and then move the mouse up and click and move the mouse right and click and move the mouse down and click and move the mouse right and click and then we move the mouse up and click and move the mouse right and click and move the mouse down and click and then the right again and click. And if we want to end the command, we press enter to end the command. So now we press enter. Okay, so for multiline we can draw object like this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw multiline. One more example. So now we go to draw menu and select multiline again. And on the screen we click on the first point and move the mouse up and then we input 10 and then press enter. Okay, now we move the mouse right and we input 5 and input smaller than 45, minus 45 degree, enter. Okay, now we move the mouse right again and we input 5 and input less than 45 and then press enter. Okay, now we move the mouse down and input 10 and then enter. Okay, now we can draw like this. Okay, if we want to end the command, we press enter to end the command. Okay, so if we want to draw other object, so I would like to present you an example. So we go to draw menu again and select multiline. Okay, now we click on the first point and move the mouse up and input 5, enter, and move the mouse left, input 5 and enter, and move the mouse up, input 5, enter. Okay, now we move the mouse right and input 15, press enter. We move the mouse down, input 5, enter. Okay, now continue to move the mouse left, input 5, enter. Okay, move the mouse down, input 5, enter. Okay, now we can draw object like this. For the multiline, if we want to draw the big scale, so we can define it like this. So we go to draw menu and select multiline. Now we don't click anything, so we press F and then enter. So for now we can see the value is 1. So we need to increase the value, so we input 3 and then press enter. So the scale is 3 now. So on the screen we click on the first point and move the mouse right and we input 50 and then enter. Okay, now we enter one more time to end the command. So okay, for the multiline we can draw object like this. is a multi-line. So if we want to draw the bigger scale, so we go to draw menu again, and then we select multi-line. So we don't click anything on the screen, just press A and then enter. And then the value is 3, so we need to increase the value. So for this example, I would like to input 5, so we input 5 and then enter. So we doing by click on the first point and then move the mouse up and click the second point and then press enter to end the command. Alright, if this one is very close to this object, so we select and then we go to modify and we select move, and then we click on the first point and move to the second point. So we move the mouse right and click. Okay, now the object is moved from this point to this point. Alright, I hope you enjoy this video and you can draw multi-line by yourself. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye for now. Don't forget to share and subscribe my video as well. Okay, bye for now.